Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, saws, milling machines, and much more. Today we're going to show you a nice horizontal bandsaw. This is made by a company called Acra. It has a 10 by 16 capacity right here. It'll do a 10-inch round. This saw is actually a swivel head saw. So if you're doing 90 degrees and 45-degree cuts, you just go ahead and loosen right there. You go ahead and move and get your different angles. The scale's right here. Right now it's about 25 degrees. Then all you have to do is loosen this. You get a nice straight cut all day. You have a quick bar stop here. You go ahead, set it. Then you can just shove your piece through and you'll know you're at the same distance each time. It'll hit the bar each time. We'll go ahead and start the machine, let you see it run. This machine's also equipped with a coolant system, you see on both sides, as well as this hydraulic rise and fall. Right now I have it at 0. We'll increase our feed speed. And you'll see it come down. This machine will also do, at a round, you could do a 45-degree angle. It'll cut an 8.5-inch solid. Or at rectangle, you can do a 10 by 9.5 inch. As you can see, when the saw came down, once it completed the cut, it turned itself off automatically. I'll show you a few different features on the saw. Here's the blade tensioning. It's a simple hand wheel. Just tighten it. It's spring loaded. When you want to raise the saw, you just lift it with your hand. That'll go ahead and let it turn on and give it a power. We'll turn it to off and let it stop right there. It also has a variable speed drive right here. Instead of changing belts or anything, you can just go ahead and turn this knob right here. It'll increase your speeds from 82 feet per minute to 248 feet per minute. And last but not least, has a nice little chip blade brush here. Keep the chips off the blade and keep you running longer. If you're interested in this saw, new or used, we carry all types, brands, and sizes. Give us a call, 626-444-0311, or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.